Hi again, everybody. It is Monday, August 30th, 2021. Where did the summer go? Don't forget to stop by perfectstormtrading.com. Drop your first name and email in the box. Click the green button. That'll sign you up into the contest to win a free copy of the Perfect Storm Trading Book and Indicator Package. So don't forget to do that. And let's move on to see what's going on this week in the market. Here's the Astro Excel chart. Let's see what we got going here this week. So overnight we had the big rally Friday. I mentioned we had the inversion right here. I mentioned this in the video the other day. We were expecting this to move down with the green line, blue line down. Instead we got this break upward here in the timing zone. So we've kind of been flat overnight. Now for the week we're at an area of a low. So the green line is starting to bounce up now. So the green line will be moving up into tomorrow at the close, and then it flat lines, and then it's going to trade downward or trek downward into Friday. You can see the blue line this week barely gets outside the 10 lines. So the blue line pivots are inside the 10s except for this one here. But a little bit after 8 we have a bottom. So we should be trekking upward into the 1st and then down into Friday the 3rd. So that'll be the general trend indication. The blue line reversal points are going to give you some key pivot areas. Let's see what the Vedic's got going. On the Vedic chart, we made a new low in the A2 green, bright green backs here. The actual low came between the normal triggers. It would usually happen on the green trigger here at the beginning of the block or the white one here. So we got a new low in that area. Then we traded up out of there. We're still in the A3 large bright green zone where we should get a more significant new high or new low. With that trend projection up, it should most likely be a high. We've got this other smaller block tonight, but it's at the really quiet time in the market uh, after the close. It's coming in between around 4:30 and 6 o'clock, which is the quiet time. So we don't really give this particular window too much significance. Going back to the Astro Excel again here, once we get to 8 o'clock here, we bottom out on the blue line, and then the green line takes a little dip at about 11 o'clock till about 12:46. Other than that, we should be mostly positive into the close today, with a chance for reaction right here where the green line and the blue line both drop from around 10:48 till around 12:55 on the green line, and a little bit at 1 to 1:15 on the blue line, and then we should be up again in the afternoon. So we should be up morning, little corrective period between say 11:30 and 1, and then back up from there. Okay, let's move on and get a few trigger points. Looking at the pH times for today, we're looking at 618 to 627. End of P2 is 723. End of P3 at 1040. For the afternoon, we got the about 158 to 207, and then the end of the P2 segment in the afternoon at 1504. Market's really flat overnight. I'm going to project a couple of points forward anyway. I'm going to project 3 points forward for you off of this kind of flatlining chart from overnight. I'm going to take this high from about 142. That projects down to about 822 this morning. I'm going to take the middle low of this cluster. We had kind of 4 bars hitting the same support area here, but I'm going to take the center of that. But any one of these could trigger a potential reversal point. And that one, I'm taking that one because it's right on the transition point between the red and the yellow P2 segment, and that often will trigger a change of trend. And that's going to go to, actually I drew that in the wrong place. That's actually going to come here, and that's going to tie in with the end of the P3 blue segment. So that should be, that's normally a strong point. That should be even better today because it's coinciding. We've got 2 triggers coming together. We've got the end of the P3 blue segment here, and then we also have that low came in on the red to yellow P2 segment, and that's coming in and syncing that up together with that. So that's kind of like a double strength on that one. And then we made this other high after that low. That was at the end of the yellow segment with the red P1, and that one is going to give us this trigger point around 1138. So that's kind of the trend map for today, along with some key time triggers. So don't forget, you can also use the rainbow times. So you've got the PH times, and you've got the key blue line transition point. So you can use that for your trades for today. So that's it for today. We'll be back again with another video on Tuesday. Thanks for watching. We'll see you then.